Have trouble keeping your spirits up? We've got some cool ideas for that work. Sure as shooting! Just watch our new video and make stress toys. A smiley, a rainbow, sushi, and soap bubbles will put a smile back on your face immediately. Bunny is sick and tired of her life. She sits on a couch idly watching TV. Is she going to break the record in flipping through channels? Dolly doesn't approve of the idea. She rushes into the room and suggests having a lot of fun. It's time to get up from the couch. The whole world is waiting for you outdoors. Stand up. Come on. Move. Let's have some adventures. Bunny is still out of spirits. The air is way too fresh. Her friend is way too happy. And the fruit is way too sweet. How can I make Miss Grumpy smile? We need a big smiley right now. Fill a big yellow balloon with starch. Use a funnel. Tie a knot. Add bright knitting yarn pieces. Draw a funny smiley on the balloon with a black marker. Dolly gives Bunny a new friend. This yellow baby is made to cheer you up and make you smile. Stretch it and its smile becomes wider. It helps to cheer up my friend. It's a pity it doesn't last long. The smile seems to be not her cup of tea. Is she allergic to yellow? Miss Grumpy is not that easy to cheer up. None of Dolly's tricks help. Bunny looks unhappy. A whole cloud of blue thoughts appears above her head. Dolly wants to drive away all the clouds over her friend's head and turn them into a bright rainbow. Hot glue polyester fiber filling to both ends of a slinky. Shape a white cloud. Cut drops out of a blue foam rubber sheet. Cut out lightning out of gold cardboard. Hot glue the lightning and the drops to the cloud. Dolly shows her friend a rainbow appearing from a cloud. This is so funny! You can feel like a weather goddess. But Bunny still doesn't like it. Even the rainbow fades away with this mood. Bunny runs away from the annoying friend. Dolly decides to use a well-known antidote for stress: soap bubbles. Come on, Miss Grumpy, play with me. It seems that the soap method works, but Dolly gets excited too soon. Bunny agrees to play, only to get rid of her annoying friend. She hurries up to go away as soon as possible. But Dolly doesn't give up that easily. She has prepared a whole balloon of soap bubbles. Make a soap solution by mixing water with dish soap. Prick an empty soap bubble container with an awl a few times. Put it into a big balloon and hot glue to the neck. Pour the soap solution into the container. Fill the entire balloon. Bunny pretends that she likes her friend's invention a lot. Soap bubbles and a balloon? 2 in 1! It's so great! However, in a few minutes, the fickle girl gets bored with the soap bubbles, the balloon, and her friend. She leaves Dolly with her hurt feelings alone. Dolly is deeply resenting it, and she always starts doing her makeup whenever she's nervous. Now, it's Bunny's turn to cheer up her friend. But Dolly is unappeasable. She tried her best to raise her friend's spirits, while Bunny was so ungrateful. However, Bunny has a plan. She only needs her friend's EOS for it. Cut a foam plastic ball in half. Make a hole inside. Wrap the ball with a foam rubber sheet. Heat it using a hairdryer to make the foam rubber keep shape. Hot glue it to the ball. Cut off the excess. Repeat for the other half. Fasten Velcro to both details to let it join into the ball. Make slime. Mix stationery glue with shaving cream. Add Add acrylic paint. Pour in some liquid laundry detergent. Stir until you get the slime. Put it inside the ball. Make an EOS inscription using a modeling tool. Bunny gives Dolly the giant EOS. Open it up. There's a surprise gift inside. Dolly stretches out the pink slime inside the EOS. You can't be bored with it. And all quarrels